This is Utah Motorsports Campus, home of the fastest Formula Drift track in America, possibly the world. And I get to drift this track with my beat-up old Corolla.
I made the trip from Arizona to Utah to go drifting here for this event with Drift Buffet. So this is ran by Terry Henderson, who's an OG drifter, as well as Brandon Wicknick and some other guys that have been around a really long time. And what they've done here is they've taken the FD track, they've changed the layout a little bit here at UMC, and made it a little more of a level playing field for high and low power cars to do, like, not necessarily a grassroots, but I guess I would say similar like clutch kickers, where you can have a pretty basic grassroots cars with all the safety equipment, or you can have a full-blown, FD car and be able to come here and compete. There is a competition at this event, and they're gonna have some pretty cool prizes. We already got, just for being a driver, we got Pit Viper sunglasses and some other cool stuff, some swag, and then we'll do a drift competition and open laps.
One of the things that's a little different about this event is there were some additional safety requirements, like a race suit. So before I headed to Utah, I stopped at We Don't Lift Racing and picked up a race suit from my buddy Ravi. These guys have a ton of knowledge about racing safety equipment, from things like suits and helmets all the way to fire suppression and more. They're my go-to people for safety stuff.
This event has attracted a wide range of cars, even though it's, February and snowy. We've got a lot of really cool cars, like Jerry here with this crazy wide body FRS BRZ 86 whatever with a big Dodge V8. Or Josh Hadlock, he's one of the judges here. You got some other, pretty standard drift cars here. I think this used to be one of Wicknick's cars. It looks familiar to me. 350Z, Corvette, all the kind of cars you would typically expect to see at a normal kind of grassroots event, but they all have cages. And then down on this end, you've got the Hansons. So you've got Rudy Hansen, who just got his Formula D Pro 1 license, and his wife, Shelly Hansen. Actually, I don't know whose car's whose, but you got both of them here drifting together. And we even have Rome with the Garagistic BMW here. So this is pretty freaking sweet. So we'll see how good me and my little old Corolla can keep up. It's a struggle, that's for sure. This track is really fast, and I'm struggling a little bit with the course layout, but I think I'm getting it down now. All right, enough of that. Let's go check out some of my laps and check out how awesome this track is. 10 years ago, I dreamed of being able to come and drift on this track. This is phenomenal. I finally get to do it. This is so cool. Oh, a little bit of banking here. Okay. This is flat. Wow, look at these views, man. Beautiful mountain views. Some no-covered mountains right out there. That's just phenomenal. Man, this is so awesome. So awesome. We've got the chicane here to tighten everything up, to slow everybody down between the two corners because you're going so fast. This is awesome. Just awesome. stay on the outside, and I'm just too gripped up. It's like I need to lose a bit of grip, and then we'll be okay. That lap felt better than the last ones, but still was not pretty. I got the entry wrong. Well, let's try again. Up the entry. I understeered pretty bad on entry. I don't know why. I'm gonna go swap out for some different tires and give that a go. Swap to some Hancooks instead of the 200 treadwear Kenda. These are like 400 treadwear or something, so they should be quite a bit easier to drift on, so I'm not gonna be fighting understeer problems. But the question will be, do I have enough grip? Didn't do great on the entry, but the rest I felt pretty dang good at. Just that entry I sucked at. I'll figure it out. Hopefully the next lap or two, because that's all I got till qualifying. Alright, now I get some tandems. I'm going to lead Brandon Wicknick, who's in a borrowed car for another friend of mine, Josh Hadlock. He used to drift an 86 way back in the day, and now he's been into these BMW things lately. That was a good one. I finally feel like I'm getting the hang of it. It was a little sloppy through the chicane, or the mangies in the middle, right? A little sloppy there, but I got the entry right. I got the tires loosened up just enough that they're feeling pretty dang good. Which I should probably go check on them to see what they're like, because I still want to drive these in qualifying. Oh yeah, plenty of life on that one. Yeah, still plenty of life. Awesome. Oh, that's feeling really good now. Really, really good. Whoop, lost my phone. That was fun to get a good tandem in with Wicknick. All right, here we go. Good. I think it's time to take it back in and go get some fuel and chill out. Yeah. If I can just do in qualifying what I did right there, I'll be solid. All right. Woo! That was a perfect time to pull off. There's only a little bit more left track time, and now we're stopped for lunch. So now we're just kind of hanging out in the garages. It's really nice. They're heated. So nice temperatures in here to hang out and eat some food. We've had a little bit of an interesting development after lunch. I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing. So this will be fun.
The snow ran for pretty much all of qualifying Group 1. I'm qualifying Group 2. And then it started raining, and now it stopped. But I don't have wipers. And I guess out on track is very slick. There's lots of puddles. Yes, this should be very interesting. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, that is way, way slick. Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That is way, way slick. Okay. So I have to take it very, very easy on initiation. That is good to know. We are pulling up for qualifying lap number 1. Hopefully this goes well. Should be kind of interesting considering how slick it is, and I spun on initiation the first time. I always have to remember to take it easy. This is just a, you know, even though it's a competition, it's still just for fun. Don't psych yourself out. I made it. Well, I didn't spin, but I'm pretty sure I dirt dropped. It felt like I dirt dropped anyway. Let's go out and take a look real quick. Man, I went pretty ham on that one. Probably drove a little harder than I needed to, but it felt pretty good. I made it through the course, I linked it. Yeah, dirt drop there. Okay, oh, I ripped off my bumper. Didn't dirt drop on that one. My bumper's gone. Bumper. This will be my last qualifying run of the day. Fingers crossed I can do a little better. I'd like to keep it on track. They aren't judging the entry and the sweepers as much as they are the tight technical bit where that chicane or manji is. Okay, here we go. Second qualifying run. Let's keep it together. Pretty good. I may not have been as wide on the section they wanted me to be on, but I think everything else I did so good. It's only going to be a top 16, so we'll go back to the pits now and figure out, just wait for qualifying to be over and see how we scored. I'm pretty sure that was all from the first one. All right,
Now we wait. Right, let's check out the qualifying here. Where did we? Oh! Shelly Hansen. Ooh. I did not expect to qualify that high. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I feel so good right now. And one of the judges is Casper. He's an OG drifter from like way back in the day, like early, like the first days of Formula D. And Terry Henderson brought him out of retirement to come judge this event. He came over and was telling me like, dude, that entry was so cool, and like complimenting me, giving me like some feedback for tomorrow, and super helpful stuff. I'm feeling pretty good. And tomorrow, if it's dry, I'll probably struggle quite a bit more just because I'm a lower power car, but I'm excited to see what I can do tomorrow in tandem and chase. Now I kind of got the line figured out and everything, and I'm feeling really good. Qualifying fourth that's awesome. I feel fantastic. Qualifying higher than, Shelly Hansen and Rome, like, I never expected that. And this is where we'll leave it for today. Make sure to watch part 2 a little bit later and check out some more drifting on this beautiful track, an amazing road course, and extremely fast Formula Drift level layout. Look at them snow-capped mountains. Oh, look at them pretty lights. Meow.